Master, let me begin by asking you, this kind of parking disputes turning into attacks, turning into fatalities seems to be on the rise.
Yes.
Is that because the law isn't deterring enough?
I think it is the intolerance of some of the people who take the laws in their hands and they don't understand. And with the kind of ego and, taking the laws in their own hands and fighting. And they feel that whoever overpowers can, make a decision or can park the vehicle. I think these kind of, even the road rages or even such kind of, the parking issues where people are losing their mind and they are not understanding the laws of the land. The law is though very strict. If you consider this particular case, we know that the FIR has been registered under Section 103 of BNS, which is actually punishment for murder. And here, if it is proven, the accused can be punished even for death penalty or maybe life imprisonment. So the offense becomes very, very serious. So I think there has to be a proper education of these kind of people. They should be made aware of when they take laws in their hands, how wrong it can go. And just because of a small petty issue of a parking, just imagine, they will have to spend, years and years behind the bars. So I think there has to be some tolerance, there has to be humanity, there has to be some understanding among the people that they are into a society. It is a human society, and they should understand how to behave. And for such small issues, they are being escalated to such an extent that even innocent people are made to die, and the killings have taken place for small little issues. So according to me, I think the laws are strict, obviously, and not only attempt to murder, but there have been instances of FIR which have been registered for the road rash and rash driving and death due to negligence, and many such instances have taken place in different cities of our country. So it is high time that people should understand, and they should have some level of tolerance and understanding for these kind of matters, which are not even, as we see in many of the different countries, how they behave in such a situation.
Hmm.
So, yes, so they actually cooperate with each other in such kind of, situation when it arises to. And even I think when somebody is parking in front of your house or something, there can be a way of telling the person, what happens that people become violent and it turns into a different level of misunderstanding and arguments. And we can see that the two accused who are very young, 18 years, 19 years old, and they have been arrested, and they will have to spend rest of their lives behind the bar if they are proven guilty. However, we know that there is the post-mortem report which is to come, which will further clarify as to how the death took place, and then the police
Sure, but the
will
fact
further
that he
file the
was
charge
being
sheet.
stabbed is caught